Want to know how to generate test cases for a program in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application and you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created various videos regarding Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. Now, since we're generating a test case, I have this program with me by default right here. Now, what you can do is, I need to just simply select the entire code. So for that, I need to just simply select Ctrl+A. So just simply open up your code. So I have this C# code right here. And then just simply select Ctrl+A. And now just simply select Ctrl+A and then select Quick Edit. It should come on the bottom right here. And then just simply type in this prompt right here. Now just simply select enter and it should generate you your code. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.